Be honest. How many times have you said, I'll do it in 5 minutes, and suddenly it's next week? Yeah, laziness is sneaky like that. It doesn't show up wearing a villain cape. It just whispers, relax, you've got time. But here's something wild. Beating laziness isn't about becoming super productive overnight. It's about tricking your brain with something ridiculously simple. Ready? Do the 10-second start. Not the whole task, not the perfect version. Just start for 10 seconds. Fold one shirt. Write one sentence. Take one step outside. Your brain hates starting, but once you begin, even barely, it goes, oh, we're doing this? Okay then. Think of it like pushing a stuck shopping cart. The first shove sucks, but once it moves, it rolls easier than you think. Laziness isn't a life problem. It's a starting problem. So today, don't commit to finishing the whole thing. Commit to starting for 10 tiny seconds. Because once you start, laziness can't hold you anymore.